Lonestar Mobile Home Leveling and Skirting, 276 County Road, 1700. Clifton TX, 76634 plus 1, 254, 266, 5369. Welcome to Lonestar Mobile Home Leveling and AMP, skirting your trusted mobile home leveling experts serving Cleburne, TX, and all surrounding areas, including Joshua, Alvarado, Keene, Burleson, Grandview, Rio Vista, Godley, Venus, and Milford. Lonestar Mobile Home Leveling and Skirting, serving Central Texas with trusted mobile home leveling services. Why leveling is important. A properly leveled home prevents foundation damage, protects plumbing, and ensures safety and comfort inside your home. Signs you need service. Floors feel uneven. Doors or windows don't close right. Cracks in walls or trim. Exposed underside of home. If you've noticed these issues, it's time to call Lonestar. We serve. We proudly serve Cleburne and surrounding areas, including Johnson, Bosque, Hill, McLennan, Joshua, Keene, Alvarado, Grandview, Godley, Rio Vista, Cross Timber, Briaroaks, Cresson, Burleson, Crowley, Mansfield, Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Weatherford, Granbury, Glen Rose, Hillsborough, Waxahachie, Red Oak, Duncanville, Lancaster, Euless, Bedford, Hearst, Richland Hills, North Richland Hills, Keller, South Lake, Grapevine, Colleyville, Haltom City, White Settlement, Benbrook, Forest Hill, Kennedale, Pantego, Dalworthington Gardens, Everman, Rendon, Edgecliff Village, River Oaks, Westworth Village, Lakeside, Sansom Park, Lake Worth, Azle, Springtown, Mineral Wells, Millsap, Aledo, Willow Park, Hudson Oaks, Annetta, Peaster, Poolville, Cool, Santo, Lipen, Toller, Bluffdale, Nemo, Acton, Mambrino, Thorpe Spring, Fall Creek, Brazos Point, Oak Trail Shores, Pecan Plantation, De Cordova, Somervell County areas, Hood County areas, Palo Pinto County areas, Parker County areas, Ellis County areas, Hill County areas, Navarro County areas. Watch for doors and windows that stick or won't close properly. This can lead to security risks and energy loss. Uneven or sloping floors. This creates safety hazards and can cause structural damage over time. Cracks in walls or ceilings. These often indicate shifting foundations and worsening stability. Keep your home safe, comfortable, and stable. Schedule your free inspection today.